Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. Today I am going to show you how you can easily download LinkedIn in your Android device. So in order to download or install LinkedIn, first open your Play Store. After you have opened Play Store, now go to the search section and search for LinkedIn. Now click on the LinkedIn app. And now here you can see the install button. Click on install. It takes time for installing the LinkedIn app as per your connection, so wait until it is installed. And there you go, now your LinkedIn is installed on your devices, and from here your install is been completed. So that was it for this video. Hope you like it. If you did, give it a like and subscribe to this channel for more guides like this. Thanks for watching.